सुप्रभातं छात्राः दशमः पाठः विश्वबन्धुत्वम्. In this lesson we started learning about universal brotherhood and how people are behaving each other and who will be a good relative. Let us continue with the today's part. अपि च समर्थाः देशाः असमर्थान् देशान् प्रति उपेक्षाभावं प्रदर्शयन्ति. तेषाम् उपरि स्वकीयं प्रभुत्वं स्थापयन्ति. अपि च समर्थाः देशाः असमर्थान् देशान् प्रति उपेक्षाभावं प्रदर्शयन्ति. तेषाम् उपरि स्वकीयं प्रभुत्वं स्थापयन्ति. अपि च समर्थाः देशाः developed countries, strong countries of the world, असमर्थान् देशान् प्रति उपेक्षा भावं प्रदर्शयन्ति, showing negligence towards developing and poor countries. Usually that happens. Developed and strong countries are always trying to control developing and weaker countries. तेषाम् उपरि स्वकीयं प्रभुत्वं स्थापयन्ति, trying to control those poor countries. So this should not be happened. Actually, those developed and strong countries should try to help poor and developing countries. Developed countries neglecting developing countries and poor countries, they are trying to prove their superiority. Samarthaah deshaah developed countries, asamarthan deshan developing countries, upeksha bhavam neglecting, प्रदर्शयन्ति showing स्वकीयं ओन्. संसारे सर्वत्र विद्वेषस्य शत्रुतायाः हिंसायाः च भावना दृश्यते. देशानां विकासः अपि अवरुद्धः भवति. संसारे सर्वत्र विद्वेषस्य शत्रुतायाः हिंसायाः च भावना दृश्यते. देशानां विकासः अपि avaruddha bhavati. Samsara, in this world, sarvatra vidveshasya shatrutayaha himsayaha cha bhavana drishyate. Nowadays we can see vidveshasya, feel of hatred, shatrutayaha, of enmity, himsayaha, of violence, cha bhavana, bhavana means feel. Such feel we can see everywhere in this world. Each and every country is trying to defeat or cheat other countries. We itself can see that Pakistan, China, in those countries trying to capture the land of our country and troubling regularly. Deshanam vikasaha api avaruddhaha bhavati. Because of this nature, development of countries gets stopped. Vikasaha, because as we are spending lot for the protection of our country, development of the country gets stopped. In the world, everywhere we can see feel of enmity and violence. Development of countries also gets stopped because of this. Samsare, in the world, sarvatra, everywhere, vidveshasya, of hatred, shatrutayaha, of enmity, himsayaha, of violence, bhavana, feel, vikasaha, development, avaruddhaha, stopped. इयं महती आवश्यकता वर्तते यत् एकः देशः अपरेण देशेन सह निर्मलेन हृदयेन बन्धुतायाः व्यवहारं कुर्यात्. इयं महती आवश्यकता वर्तते यत् एकः देशः अपरेण देशेन सह निर्मलेन हृदयेन बन्धुतायाः व्यवहारं कुर्यात्. Now this is very important that yam mahati avashyakata vartate yat. This is very important that ekaha deshaha aparena deshena saha. One country should behave nirmalena hridayena, with pure heart. One country should behave with another one. Means each other. Countries should behave friendly each other. Each and every country should try to help each other for the development. Bandhutayaha vyavaharam kuryat. Everyone should behave like friends each other or like close relatives. This will help for the development of each and every countries. This is very important that one country should behave friendly with another. Iyam, this mahati great avayakata necessity aparena with other nirmalena hridayena with pure heart bandhutayaha of relationship vyavaharam behavior. So children, we learnt second part of the lesson. Please read lesson thoroughly with the translation and word meanings. Let us continue with the next part tomorrow. Thank you children.